Look at this. It doesn't matter how far you go, as you guys can see now here, quite far in my living room, and it still tracks me. Tiago here, welcome back or welcome. And if it's not the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video and share it all around with your friends. With this said, we're gonna start a review of the AOCHUAN Smart X2. This one here, guys. And if you are a solo filmmaker, in my opinion, this is the best gimbal, budget gimbal. It has AI face tracking, it can extend itself, and it has a budget price. Like always, we're gonna do a review, and in this video I'm gonna tell you all about this gimbal. With this said, let's start the review. Looking at the price, the AOCHUAN Smart X2 has a price tag of £73.50 if you are in UK. If you are in US, is $99. So a really good budget gimbal under £100 or dollars. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description, so please check them and use the links if you want to buy the gimbal. It doesn't harm you and helps the channel. Let's carry on with the review. Let's have a look what's inside of the box. Once more, AOCHUAN made a very compact and lightweight gimbal. The box is simple and with all the information about the Smart X2. Inside you have the P05 AI assistant, a small tripod, one USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, the gimbal, and the manuals with all the information regarding the gimbal and the app, and the P05 AI assistant. Looking at the gimbal, it only weighs 442 grams with the P05 AI assistant and the tripod on. Great lightweight solution for TikTokers and any other type of content creators on the go. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It is really good quality, and let me tell you, I dropped it quite a few times now and still no marks. In the handle you have the 1600 mAh battery, giving you 10 hours of use, perfect for all day shooting. The Smart X2 has also a Type-C charging port and continuous charging, meaning that you can use it while it's on charge. Looking at the gimbal more in detail, at the front you have a small LED screen where you can see the battery left, the modes, and all the information regarding the gimbal. Talking about the modes, the Smart X2 has 4 stabilization modes: Follow mode, 360 free mode, Dream mode, and Sport mode. Below the small screen you have the M button to change modes and the Capture button that can be used also to change to TikTok mode or vertical mode and to horizontal mode or YouTube mode. And also the joystick. On the left side you have the wheel to zoom in and out and to focus. The app is where the things got even more interesting. The app gives you total control over your settings, from resolution, frame rate to advanced features like white balance, for example. There is even a beauty filter option if you want to smooth or adjust lighting or to have a more polished look. I don't like to use it, but anyway, with TikTok there, so yeah, you can use it. You can also customize gestures, which is super handy. So yeah, thumbs up for this app. It's one of the best on the market. And again, let's not forget that we're talking about a budget gimbal that it's, in my opinion, one of the best and with a really good companion app. Now that we had a quick view of the gimbal and the app, let's do some testing. AI assistant, and it works really good on this budget gimbal. So what you have to do is just do this thing here, and as you guys can see, you can put the body tracking and you can see there is lines on my body, or you can swap it to face tracking and you got a green square around your face, and now it's tracking your face. And it doesn't matter how far you go, as you guys can see now here, quite far in my living room, and it still tracks me and it carry on tracking, and so good. It works so well, as you guys can see. So it's really good if you are doing a YouTube video, for example, or even a TikTok. and you put your face tracking, and then you can talk. It's good for for cooking videos, when you are cooking and on the kitchen doing things, and yeah, the phone is tracking you. It's really good. And then you have to do the same and stop tracking, and it stays in the same position. And again, face tracking. There we go. Really good. But hang on a second. Another good feature of this gimbal is that this one now, you can extend it. And look at this. Now it works, but you can extend it. Really, really cool. This is a very, very budget gimbal with premium features. Right guys, so now, as you guys can see, you can walk with a gimbal, and if you don't have like a good phone camera, for example, you can extend it. So if you extend it, and you can speak far away, and this is really, really cool. Also, it can bend on the top. So look at this here, guys. Look at this, guys. Yes, it's really good and helps you if you are talking and you're making a video, or more if you are like vlogging in the street and you are walking. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's far away from you guys, and it helps you keep your camera stable. So yeah, so you can be walking and vlogging, like talking to the camera, or if you wish, you can switch your camera around and then filming what is in front of you. Really, really good feature. And as you guys can see, it doesn't affect nothing in the gimbal. And then when you finish, you just do like that and back to the normal gimbal. Yeah, I really like this feature. And again, this gimbal works horizontal or vertical. So if you want to do a TikTok video, just double press and here we go. You are doing a TikTok video. And after that, if you finish your TikTok video, you just double press and goes back to normal. Again, double press, vertical video or TikTok mode, whatever you want to call it. And then vertical video or YouTube video. A really good gimbal and very budget. I love to mention this because it's a budget gimbal. Really good quality, feels really strong, but yes, budget with premium features. Right guys, so I'm filming in my living room / kitchen, as you guys can see. So, but just showing you how stable this is while I'm walking. As you guys can see, can you see my camera and my light there? So it is very, very stable, as you guys can see. I'm filming with the back camera, so I'm using the back camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So yeah, really, really stable, as you guys can see. Now I'm going to switch to the front camera, start recording. Right guys, so now I'm using the front camera of my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'm recording in 4K 6 FPS. I'm using the front camera, but I'm using the app of the AOCHUAN. Yeah, so this is the Smart X2, a really budget gimbal and really, really good in my opinion, of course. So yeah, as you guys can see, very easy to use. Let's use the extension now and put it like that. And now it's even better, look at that. You can record and your arm doesn't get tired, and look at the quality. Look at the stability, yes. Yeah guys, so let me know in the comments what you guys think about this gimbal. Right guys, now I'm gonna start the inception mode. Look at this. Look at this. How cool is this on a budget gimbal? So good guys. Yeah, and goes back to the normal. Very pleased with this gimbal guys, very, very pleased. In the end of the day, it is a budget gimbal. So guys, this was our review on AOCHUAN Smart X2, a budget gimbal. Like always, I'm going to leave links in the video description, so please use them if you want to buy the gimbal. It helps the channel and doesn't harm you. With this said, Tiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.